if you want to start a blog in 2026, or you are blogging already and you want to rebrand your blog and make it more better, you're probably going to struggle in 2026 if you don't focus on this particular strategy, which I'm going to review right here in this very video. And also I'm going to simply show you the real AI model blogging that you can actually use in 2026 to scale up your game. So if you're ready, let's get into it. For those that doesn't know anything about blogging but want to start a blog, if you want to actually understand blogging, just head over to your browser and search for any topic of your choice. So this is a search time. So if you search for this is a blog content, okay? And if you scroll down, you're going to see also from a real blog, a standard blog. If you keep scrolling down, you're going to see other content from different blog, right? If I click on this particular blog right now, then this particular blog has already solved my problem, okay? So blog is an information platform where you can actually provide solution to people's problem or search time, right? That is just the basic explanation of blogging, okay? And for you to start your own blog, there are simple steps to follow, and the steps that other blog gurus told you are not really working anymore. All right, so for you to get these things that are working right now, you need to pay attention to this very video, because I'm going to simply break it down step by step. The first step is to discover a profitable niche that AI cannot actually beat. So by the end of this very video, you're going to simply have a live blog for yourself, and also a niche that Google is actively promoting for you. All right, and in this particular blog, there are many monetization strategies you can actually embed inside of it, okay? And at the end part of this very video, I'm going to simply list out more. So for you to start your blog, the first you need to do is simply pick your own niche, okay? You have to be mindful of the niches that AI cannot actually summarize. For instance, if you head over to your browser and search for this same stuff right here, after this advertisement, you're going to see AI summary right here, okay? And sometimes when people skip on this very ad and go over to AI summary, they're not going to simply click on blogs again, okay? And this guy might not get traffic because the whole stuff has been summarized by AI, okay? And for you to get traffic in 2026, and for you to pick the niches that work for you, and for you to make that decision, you need to simply use this particular box right here. If you come over to this section and search for, okay, when you search for that, this is going to simply give you search result right here, but there's no AI search overview. You can see right here, there's no AI overview right here, okay? So which means people are going to simply click on this stuff right here, okay? You can see this is the blog right here. These are blogs. So just like this particular keyword, there are other keywords that you can actually type in. When you type in that, then the AI cannot actually summarize it, okay? And these keywords are the keyword that beats search overview. I've already made a detailed post about the list of niches that you can actually start in 2026 that beat AI, okay? You're going to see a list of niches that AI cannot actually summarize, and this is the foundation of your blog traffic, okay? So after picking your niche, the next you need to do is simply set up your blog website, okay? You can actually go ahead and do this by yourself by getting this particular course right here. You can see right here, I've already made a detailed course on how to build and monetize your own blog, okay? Optimize it for SEO, on-page optimization. If you don't want to do this by yourself, you can actually go ahead and join us on our Telegram channel. My team are going to simply handle this for you, okay? Build your website, blog, monetize it, and also set it up for you, okay? For you to get started with your blogging in 2026, okay? Your blog website has to go live, okay? Just like this one, with your blog content inside of it, okay? And you can see right here, this particular blog right here is not really monetized, okay? So we're going to simply fix all of these things. Log into your website blog from this very section, okay? So if my team are building your website, they're going to simply develop it, monetize it for you, and also do all of these things for you and many more, okay? And go to add plugins, okay? There are essential plugins you need to add on your blog, right? Which is going to simply enhance your SEO, enhance your traffic, enhance your monetization, and many more, right? Okay, the first plugin you need to install is an SEO plugin. For instance, if you type in SEO right here, you're going to see you can go with any of them, but I recommend going with Yoast SEO, okay? Then install this plugin. If you want to really build business around your blog website, never you go for Blogger, never you go for Wix, never you go for all those free blogs that doesn't add anything to you, okay? Don't activate it yet. Then the next plugin we're going to simply add is, so once you add this, then this is the plugin you're going to install right now. This is WP Fastest Cache, okay? Install this, okay? This particular cache plugin allows you to get higher speed for your website, okay? Don't activate it yet. Then go to the next section, then install this particular plugin. Insert header one, you can simply install this one as well if you want it. So just hit on this install button, and once you install that, the next you need to do right now is simply go over to your blog website again. Go over to this section, add classic. This classic editor is very much important, because if my team are building your website, they're going to simply integrate auto blogging to you. This auto blogging can actually help you with your content writing which you can actually optimize and publish on your blog. All right, we are going to activate all of these plugins at once. Okay, go to inactive plugins, then hit on this. We're going to simply activate Ad Inserter, Classic Editor, WP Fastest Sketch, Yoast SEO. Okay, all right, so click on this belly button right here, bulk action, click on activate. Okay, then click on apply. So all of them are going to simply activate at once. Okay, then go to your settings right here, go to reading. So under your setting, go to reading. The most important part I want you to focus on is the accept right here. Make sure you select accept, not full text, and also don't click on this. Okay, if your own is checked, make sure you uncheck it and click on the save button. Okay, this is going to simply signal the search engine, both Google, Bing, and Yandex, so that when people search your blog post, they can actually see it. Okay, the next step is simply start writing content on your blog. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply pick your own niche from here and get your website fully developed for you. Once your website is developed for you, the next step is to actually start writing content. But before you start writing content, you need to simply look out for monetization platforms that you can actually use for your blog. Or right, search for astra.com. okay, and you're going to simply register as a publisher, and the next ad network you can actually use is Montag. Okay, so these two platforms work hand in hand, and they're going to simply help you a lot. Okay, and when all of these accounts are created, make sure you add your website. Go to your website section. For instance, if you go to website section from here, refresh, you're going to simply click on this add website. Go to your website blog, then copy your website URL. Remember, I told you to copy your website URL. Just copy it just like this, then go back here, then add it here. Okay, when you add that, hit on this add website. Okay, so remember, there are plugins we installed. Remember, all of these things that I'm doing right now, if my team are building your website, they've already done all of them and they've already monetized your website. So all you need to do right now is simply start publishing your content with the auto blogging we've already integrated for you. Okay, just click on this more options right here. When you click on that, scroll down a bit, copy this. When you copy that, go over to your blog, then go to the first plugin you installed. Remember, we installed many plugins. Okay, so I'm going to simply go to the first one, which is this one right, which is code snippet. Go to header and footer, go ahead and add this here. Okay, this is the code. Then once you add that, then save changes. The next you need to do right now is simply go over to your Astra as well. All right, so from your Astra, just come back to this very section, go to the website section, allow it to refresh. This is where we are right now. Then click on this, and we're going to simply add the same stuff right here. Okay, then here you're going to simply go over to your website, then copy your blog URL. Okay, when you copy that, then go back here and add your website URL here. Then add your category. You can select social, so you have to simply select this one first. Remember, we're coming back for this. Remember, we're coming back for this, and this. Okay, and we're not using this. Okay, we're not using pop on that. We don't want people to be redirected to a new website from our website. Okay, just click on this add button, and you're going to simply wait for them to approve it. Okay, we are reviewing your website, so this is going to simply take like a few minutes. Then while it is pending, go back to your Montag, then click on, make sure you select this, then click on this verify. Okay, so let's wait for it to be verified. All right, you can see right here this has been verified, and we're going to simply go ahead and add zones. Click on this get tag for push notification. Okay, when you add that, then click on this, copy code, go back to your website. Okay, then add it to the body section. All right, so we are not saving it yet. Then go back again, go back to this very section. Let's add this in page push, then copy it, go back here, scroll down and select banner, then copy this, go back here, all right, so we're done with that. The next thing we need to do right now is simply click on this save changes, then go back to Astra. This has been approved. Let's add social bar. Okay, click on get code, Then make sure you select this 1:4, click on save, then copy the code, go back to your website and add it at the footer section. Okay, very much important, so that it will not disturb people from your main blog. Right, then click on save. All right, so without adding more art, let's check out this particular page to see if it has been added and if everything is cool. But after adding everything, go ahead and clear your cache. Okay, go to fastest WP cache. Okay, click on this and make sure you click on clear cache. Click on this cache has been cleared. Then go to the blog, visit the blog from here. Well, you can see right here, these are advertisements. This is the banner ad from Astara. Okay, so you're gonna see the ones from Montag is showing up. You can see this is ads. Okay, so this is ad, and this ad can easily be closed. Okay, so this doesn't disturb your readers from reading. Okay, for instance, if I click on this close, you can see right here it has already closed. It didn't direct me to any other page. Okay, so you can see right here all of these things, even without them closing it, it is also impression for you. This is the advertisement showing up right here. Okay, and these are the ads showing up just like normal banner, and they have good CPM. Right, so once your ad is showing and displaying very well on your blog website, the next you need to do right now is simply start creating content for your blog. All right, you go back to your blog website, and if my team have already built your website, they're going to simply integrate an auto blogging for you. Okay, where you need to simply click on this content creator right here. The type of content should be post and the tone should be natural. Okay, and you can simply add medium content. Okay, instead of longer content, just add medium. All right, we don't want it short, we just want it medium. All right, so once you add that, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and add, for instance, how to edit with CapCut. Okay, how to edit videos. All right, so this is just an example of what you can actually add. So you need to do right now is simply go ahead and make your own research about the topic you want. You can use ChatGPT, and I've already made a couple of videos on how to do keyword research for blogging. Okay, simply use that same topic you've already added, then add it as your keyword. Okay, then hit on the generate content. Okay, so this is going to simply generate a blog content for you. So this is what we have, and the next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and edit this by yourself and click on this edit as draft. Okay, just few minutes, you've already written this particular blog. Okay, you can see right here the SEO analysis is very much good. Okay, just go ahead and edit this, and the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and add featured image for this. Okay, just scroll up, then click on this. But remember, you have to simply select your category right here. When you select that, then click on this publish button. All right, our blog is already set. Okay, so if you go back to the blog section, this is the blog post. So if you click on this, this is going to simply open for you. Okay, and you can see right here the ad is also embedded on this particular post. Okay, we're going to simply be getting an impression on Montag. We're going to simply be getting on Astera as well. Okay, you can add many more. With this right now, your blog is already live and set. So the only thing you need to right now is simply go ahead and connect your blog website to your Facebook page, connect it to your WhatsApp, to your Telegram channel. Okay, so that once you make a post here, it's going to simply go to all of those pages, and that is going to simply bring you lots of traffic to your blog website. Okay, that's how you can actually start your blog in 2026 and scale up your game. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to simply show you how you can get approval for AdSense, for a Zoic. So I'm also going to simply show you how you can actually get high quality organic traffic to your blog and scale up your game. All right, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. All right.